So what we are going to do today is we are going to change this sensor. It's called a air quality sensor. It's a part of air conditioning system. What it does is it judges the quality of the air outside the vehicle and then decides automatically whether you need the recirculation of the air conditioning system from outside air to inside air. So you don't have to do it on your own. So why I'm changing this? Because of this. So what you need to do to change this thing? It's a easy process. You just need to open the passenger side of the cowl top, which is like just 2 minutes of work, and this can be changed with ease with just one coupler and nothing. So you can pause the video, take down the part number, and there's hardware number as well. So make sure you get the right part before you disassemble your car to install it. So just pop the hood, then take these two clips out, keep them somewhere safe, pull this weather strip out, and then you can just pull the whole owl cover, slide it out, and there you go. And after removing the cowl cover, uh, this is the air quality sensor, just a coupler, and that's it. There's just one more thing, how to remove it. Don't remove it from this plastic trim, it's quite brittle. So if you look under the another sensor, you just need to pull this clip upwards, and then you can slide this thing out. So the old one removed, new one back in. So the only thing left is to place the cowl top back in and scan the code again. So everything back on the place again. All we need to do is that we need to scan the car once again to clear the codes. So as you can see in this older photo, the code had a red marking, and in the new one the code has a green marking. That means there is a error which is there. Like red means the error is still present, green means the error was there but it's not present now. So the issue has been resolved. So this is how you change a air quality sensor. And somebody asked me that what's the price, and if you ask me about the price of the sensor, okay, let's just forget the rupees and give you the price which you have to pay in euros, which is close to 100 euros, which comes out to be like 10,000 rupees for this sensor. It's on expensive side, but I arranged it from somewhere which I didn't pay that same price. It was relatively cheap.